Okay, so I've got the chimney pipe pretty much installed. It was okay for last night. I should replace that though, fit it properly. But I had a fire last night and it was nice and cozy warm. So staking out, got these two trees here. Should cut one or both of them down. It's going to be hard though because this one is leaning quite a bit that way. And I've done some staking for the cabin. Let's see. So here we can see the posts. There's this one. That's the back corner. About 15 feet to that one and another 15 feet to that one. That's 30 feet here. And from here, got 30 feet across to that one there. And from there to there is 15 and another 15 up there. Let's take a walk around. So this tree will have to come down for sure. And from the front of the cabin right here, measured out 15 feet for the balcony. So that'll be the front left corner of the balcony. And go across over to there. Let's see. So here's the cabin. Out to there is the corner of the cabin, the right corner. And the right corner of the balcony right there. This tree will come down, this tree will come down. Pretty much all of these in here. So there's one big one, two big ones, two medium size, three small ones. Yeah, those are pretty tall. Wow. Don't even want to guess how high. So for trees on this side, yeah, I'll probably take down most of these small ones here too. Actually, they're not that small. Got one, two, medium size, one small one. I guess those two can stay. It'll come down for sure. Yeah, I think I have no choice. I have to take these down in order to move the shed back. Or do I? If I just cut down the ones in the back, maybe I can move it back without cutting these. Leave one or two of these big ones. So we've got one, two huge ones, three huge ones, four, and that one there is pretty big. Here's the back left corner of the cabin. Let's get a different angle over here. So that's dead, that'll come down. These little skinny shits will come down. For the covered area, use this one, that one. The distance between those is 21 feet. So that'll be the front corner or the front edge of the covered area. I've gone back to this one here. And then that one there. So they have 4 trees that'll cut down around 15 feet high, make the covered area. Between this one and that one is 21 feet as well. So 21 feet by 21 feet. And then these two are closer, but that'll be a nice little size covered area for sitting outside. And it'll be just behind the cabin area. Back here, haven't really started scouting for an outhouse area yet, but maybe up in here somewhere. Yeah, I think right in here, that'd be perfect. Put the outhouse here, have a nice little view. Back there is kind of a mess. Could have a garden in there maybe, or a compost area. But yeah, for sure the outhouse here. It's nice, good spot. That's nice. My chimney. I'm gonna have to grind this whole big huge stump out because I'd like to move the green shed back here. This would be a good spot for it. Out of the way, get a little bit of height. Right to the edge of the property line in the back. Yeah. Could clear some more of this on this side. Property line. Property line. Another angle of the cabin and the work area of 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut this little thing down, get it out of the way. And I got these 2 huge ones here. This one is really leaning though. To clear all this area up for sure. I guess all these trees, this one here I don't know, but for sure this is a decent size one. One, two, decent size, huge one, pretty big one, really big. Yeah, and then these four. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pretty huge trees. I think that should about cover every angle. Cut this branch down, get a better view. There's my dinghy and the ferry. And my big mess. I better start cleaning up.